After joining Restoration One, the first year is always going to be the hardest. You have to put in the work and basically the effort to enjoy the fruits of your labor. My name is Michael Coates, and I'm the owner of Restoration One of Washington, D.C.
My name is Raven Coates. I'm with Restoration One of Washington, D.C. I joined last year in 2024, full-time.
I selected Restoration One because not only of the solid profit margin numbers, but also the support provided. The support we receive from Restoration One is fantastic. Our field consultants are detailed, organized. They check in with you monthly, see what you need, see how your business is going. Also, they will pay you a couple of visits per year just to see how you're holding up and checking in to see what they can do for you.
From the peer group perspective, it's very helpful to meet with like-minded peers that are, in the same revenue category, the same business size. You come together, we meet 4 times a year, we discuss our wins, we discuss our challenges.
If you're looking to join Restoration One from a completely different background, do not let fear get a hold of you. Give it a shot, give it a chance. You won't regret making that decision.